and welcome to Mathematical Coaching Center. In today's class, we'll do Factorisation Part 4. If you haven't gone through with my Part 1, 2, 3, the link is given in the description. In today's class, we'll solve one of the very important question, and it is a different type of question in the factorization. So what you can see in this question is that if x minus 2 is a factor of this expression and x minus 3 when it divides, it leaves the remainder 52. So in this type of question, we'll form the equation 1 and 2 and we'll solve by elimination method and we'll find the value of a and b, and you can see that this question is 2013. So now let's start today's class. So here we have a different type of question, so you can see, and this is one of the very important. So you can see if x minus 2 is a factor of expression 2x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 14. So number one thing, they had given us factor. So everyone, you know that factor means the remainder should come how much? 0. And when the expression this is divided by x minus 3, it leaves the remainder 52. So they had given us 52. So find the value of a and b. So this is a different type of question. In this, what we will form is that we'll form the equation a and b, to equation 1 and equation 2. Then we'll solve both the equation 1 and 2 and we'll find the value of a and b. So what they are given is that solution what they are given, let x minus 2 is equal to 0. So what I'll get, x equals to 2. Since now what they are given, remainder it will be, as you know, remainder will be 0. Since what they are given is that x minus 2 is a factor. Since they had given us factor, so the remainder will come 0. So remainder, how much we have? 2x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 14 equals to 0. Now I have to put the value of x. So what is the value of x? 2. So I'll put here 2 cube plus a 2 square plus b x is 2 minus 14 equals to 0. So you know that, or 2, don't jump, okay. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, so it will be a 8 plus a 2 square is your 4 plus 2b minus 14 equals to 0. So now what can I do here? So you know that 2 8s are 16 plus this is 4a plus 2b minus 14 equals to 0. Now what can I do now? 4a plus 2b, 16 minus 14 will be how much? Plus 2 equals to 0. So you have done in class 9 only that standard form of simultaneous linear equation in elimination method. On the left hand side there has to be variables, on the right hand side there has to be numbers. So this plus 2 I'll take to the other side, or this will be a 4a plus 2b equals to this plus 2, when you go that side it will be minus 2. So this is my equation 1. So I got the equation 1. Now I have to form the equation 2 from the another given. So what they are given, you can see here, when x minus 2, if you are dividing with x minus 2, the remainder is coming 52. So again, what I have given according to question, this side also you can write according to question. So what they are given, let x minus 2 is equal, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore what I'll get, x equals to 3. Now what they are given us, you can see that remainder is 52. So remainder equals to how much they are given? 52. So now you have to form the equation 2. So remainder, so what do you have? 2x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 14 equals to 52. So instead of x, now what I have to put? Instead of x, how much we have? 3. So this is a 3 cube plus a x square means 3 square plus b, x is my 3 minus 14 equals to 52. Now what can I do here? Or 2. 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. So 27 into 2 will be a 54 plus, now I am doing directly, 3 square is 9, 9 into a, 9a, you can do slowly, plus this will be 3b minus 14 equals to 52. So you know that equation, what happened is that 9a plus 3b equals to, what can I write this? 52. This I'll take to the other side, it will be minus 54 and this minus 14. When you go that side it will be plus 14. So what will be this? 52 minus 54 is your minus 2 plus 14. So 14 minus 2 is your 12. So I got the equation 2. So I'll write on the other side. So what I got? Therefore 9a plus 3b equals to 12. So this is my equation 2. Now I'll solve equation 1 and 2 by elimination method, since the elimination method is the easiest method among all the method. Now you know you have equation 1. So it's 4a plus 2b equals to minus 2. And this side we have 9a plus 3b equals to 12. So if you'll see here, what you have, it's 2b is there. We have 2b, and what you have there, 3b. And this 3 I'll multiply there, and this 2 I'll multiply this side. This is your class 9 revision. So what you can do, now when you multiply, you have to multiply all this equation only. 3 4s are 12a plus 3 2s are 6b equals to minus 3 2s are 6. Now 2 9s are 18a plus 3 2s are 6b equals 12 2s are 24. Now you can see in this, what happens is that the coefficient of b is same. So in elimination method, what do we are, why we are multiplying this? Because 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, to make this b be same. Will it get cancelled? No. So I have to change the sign. So plus opposite will be minus, plus opposite will be minus, this plus opposite will be minus. These two will get cancelled. So plus minus is minus. 18 minus 12. So 18 minus 12 will be how much? 6a. Since 18 is bigger, the sign will be minus, equals to minus minus is plus. So 24 plus 6 is your 30. That sign will be bigger, sign 24 is bigger, so it will be minus. Minus minus get cancelled, so therefore a is equal to 30 divided by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So therefore a is equal to 5. So I got the value of a. Now what I have to do in the next step? Putting the value. So putting the value of a is equal to 5 in equation 1. So I am putting in equation 1. So you will copy equation 1. 4a plus 2b equals to minus 2. So what you got a? You got 5. So 5 plus 2b is equal to minus 2. 4 5s are 20 plus 2b is equal to minus 2. This plus 20 I will take that side, so it will be minus 2 plus 20. When you go, that's a minus 20. So 2b is equal to minus 22. So b is equal to minus 22 divided by 2. It will get cancelled and I'll get minus 11. So therefore I got a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 11. So this is your final answer, and you'll get how much marks? You'll get 4 marks. This carries 4 marks. And this is your a different type of question, because in this question what they are given is that you can see you have to form the equation 1 and 2. So after that forming equation 1 and 2, you have to solve both the equation 1 and 2, and you will get the answer. Okay, hope so you understood this. Go once and do the revision. Now let's solve another question. Here you can see another similar type of question, and it's 2005. So what they are given is that x minus 2 is a factor. So already it's given factor. Factor means the remainder should come how much? 0. If the same expression is divided by x minus 3, it leaves the remainder 3. So find the value of a and b. I hope so you can solve this. It's a similar sum like which we have done before. So solution. So what they are given is that let x minus 2 is equal to 0. So I'll get x equals to 2. So what they are given in the first, the factor. Factor means the remainder should come 0. So remainder equals to 0. So since what I'll take, x minus 2 is a factor. So as you know that if they are given factor means the remainder should come 0. Now we have to write the expression. What you have? X cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6 equals to 0. So what is the value of x? 2. So 2 cube plus a 2 square plus b 2 plus 6 equals to 0. So 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So it will be 8 plus 2 square is 4a plus 2 into b 2b plus 6 equals to 0. Or so now what can I do here? 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. 4a plus 2b. 8 plus 4 is your 14 equals to 0. So I have told you that it's not any standard form for elimination method. This 14 I'll take to the other side. So it will be 4a plus 2b equals to plus 4. When you go that side, it will be minus 14. Sorry, plus 14. When you go that side, it will be minus 14. So this is my equation 1. So I got the equation 1. Now I have to form the equation 2. So next, what they are given, you can see there x minus 2, so x minus 3, we are dividing with x minus 3 and the remainder is how much? 3. So what we'll do, according to question, let x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x equals to how much I get? 3. But what they are given is that remainder is how much? Remainder is 3 is there. So I'll copy the expression. What do we have expression? X cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6 equals to 3. What is the value of x? 3. So I'll put 3 cube plus a 3 square plus b 3 plus 6 equals to 3. Now 3 cube will be how much? 3 into 3 into 3, 27 plus 3 square. 3 square is 9a plus 3b plus 6 equals to 3. Now I have to form in a standard form. So it will be 27 plus 6. So how much it will be? 27 plus 6, it's 33. 33 plus 9a plus 3b equals to 3. So therefore 9a plus 3b equals to 3. This 33, when you go that side, it will be minus 33. So it will be here minus 30. So I got the equation 2 also. So therefore what I got? 9a plus 3b equals to minus 30. So this I'll take it as equation 2. Okay, so you can take common also. So no need to take common. Directly we'll solve this. So here you can see we have equation 1 also, equation 2 also. So in coefficient of b you can see there is 2. So I'll eliminate b. So 2 is there. In front of b, what you have? 3. So this 3 will multiply this side. This 2 will multiply on the other side. So now multiply. How much will get? 3 4s are 12a plus 3 2s are 6b equals to 3 14s are how much it will be? Minus 4 3s are 12, 50. 12 means 1 will be 3 1s are 3, 4. So I got 42. Now by 2, 9 2s are 18a plus 3 2s are 6b equals to minus 32s are 60. So you can see what you have. Both the coefficient of b are same. So that's why we are multiplying by 3 and 2. So will it get cancelled? No. So we have to change the sign. So this will be minus, plus opposite will be minus, minus opposite will be plus. Now what you can see, 6b will get cancelled. So that's why it is called as elimination method. So plus minus is minus. So 18 minus 12 will I'll get 6a. That means it's here minus 6a. Because 18 is bigger, so minus. Now minus plus is here minus 60 minus 42. So 60 minus 42, how much I'll get? 18. Yeah. So what will be sign here? You can see 60 sign is your plus. So it will be plus. Therefore a is equal to plus 18 by minus 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Plus divided minus is minus 3. So I got a is equal to 3. Now what I have to do? I have to do the putting the value. Therefore putting the value of a is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. So I'll put it in equation 1. What do you have? 4a plus 2b equals to minus 14. So a value is your minus 3 plus 2b equals to minus 14. So this is your minus 4 3 is 12 plus 2b equals to minus 14. So this minus 12 will go that side. So 2b is equal to minus 14 plus 12. So 2b is equal to, so minus plus is minus, so I got minus 2. So b is equal to minus 2 by 2 cancel, so I got minus 1. So therefore we got the answer a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to minus 1. So this is my final answer. So you can check this answer also whether the answer is right or not. So I haven't discussed it in my previous one, so you can see here. So what you'll do is that take this 4a plus 2b. This you already have done in class 9 only. 4. What is the value of a? Minus 3 will put plus 2. What is the value of b? Minus 1. So 4 3s are 12, minus 12, minus 2 1s are 2. So how much I'll get? Minus 14. So I got minus 14. Can you see here in the right hand side minus 14 is there? That means your answer is right. This part no need to do in exam. So you will get how much marks? 4 marks. So this ends this chapter. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel.